Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from vycanalysis.com. I want to post my forecast for the gold because I'm expecting lower price and I see the very good potential opportunity for the downside. I will go through explanations and my reasoning why I'm expecting lower price on the gold, and I will start with the 4-hour time frame here. As you can see here, we got a strong upward movement at this stage here because price went from $1,200 to almost $1,300 14. So we got about 11,000 pips at this stage here, and that was a very strong moment. Anyway, I saw the upward trend line here, this rising upward trend line. And as you can see, we got a massive sell-off here. We got this is a tick volume on the MT4 platform, but I will show you also in the futures market. We got the massive sell-off in a heavy volume. This is a 4-hour time frame. Again, this bar also confirmed the breakout of this upward trend line and confirmed sell-off, in my opinion, a further downward movement. If we go to the daily time frame, you can see that there is a previous swing high around $1,302. Price went higher, 1,000 pips almost, and then back very strongly. This is a uptrust bar in a heavy volume, and this is a sign for me that buyers exit their positions at this stage, around this stage here, and they sold immediately. So again, uptrust in a heavy volume from the resistance and the 4-hour time frame. We got the broken upward trend line, and there is also some small gap here this week here, lower, and again I'm expecting a lower price. I will try to take 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk reward ratio because I'm aiming for, I risk about 1,400 pips and I'm aiming for around 4,700 pips. Maybe even lower, depend on the price section, but this is at least what I'm expecting for this sell-off. This sell-off is very big, and again it's all about the volume in the price section. If we see the strong price section, this is a very strong supply through the market, and we see the heavy volume and the breakout of the upward trend line and the uptrust on the daily. This is for me big thing, and this is what I'm waiting, and this is what is my first thing on the watch list. So now I will show you the how it looks like on the futures market, the future chart. This is a heavy volume here, and this is very big weakness in this bar according to the daily time frame. But anyway, I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame. This is a massive supply came in, and you see here there is a 121k versus a 38k average. So this is a more than 300% volume increasing from the average 20 simple moving average. So basically this is a very heavy volume, and it confirmed the sell-off, and it confirmed the breakout of the upward trend line, and it confirmed the retesting of the swing high according to the daily time frame. So this is what I like to see, and this may be a potential double top here, so the price may go all the way lower to this area, $1,200. But anyway, we must go step by step and see where this can lead us. First of all, we also got some demand here according to the daily time frame near the 1,236, so maybe we go there and test that. And that is exactly area where is the Fibonacci expansion 161.8 from this A, B, and C. Okay. If we see that, if you look the moving averages here, which I have on the chart, we can see that 50 and 21 are near the one currently. According to the daily time frame, we got 1,255 simple moving average 50 and 21 below. There is also 200 simple moving average, which is much lower. So it's right now at $1,172. That's according to the daily. Anyway, if we go to see the weekly time frame, we can see a very interesting thing here, which I like a lot, which is testing of the 200 MA according to the weekly. So imagine 200 bars, and the average it got tested last week, and we tested that successfully because the high volume came to the market, and it confirmed that also the long-term investors saw this opportunity together with short-term investors who saw the swing high, and they reacted very strongly on this swing high. But the more longer-term investors, they saw opportunity to rebuild also their long-term investments in the sell again goal near this stage here. This is just again my opinion according to the volume price section and looking the moving averages at this stage here. So as you see, when I see something like this on the weekly time frame, when the 50 simple moving average go all the way and breaks all this like 200, 100 and 150, this is a big sign at this stage that trend change behavior on the long term, and then long-term investors basically changed their behavior, and they became at this stage here they became bearish, and that will not change over the night, over the VIX. To change again to bullish, we need a lot of effort, a lot of confirmations for that, and of course the volume increasing on the upside, or some heavy demand or something like that, because we didn't saw that. Again, it's a very strong. If we go to the monthly time frame, there is also 50 simple moving average, which price respected there. So we got a 50 on the monthly respected. We got on the weekly strong downward movement pressure in 200, rejection from the 200 MA, and then we got the heavy supply came in, retesting the swing high here, and on the 4-hour time frame we got breaking upward trend line, and again heavy supply came into the market. Also using the tick volume, there is also heavy supply, and using the futures market, and also the index CRB index. So all this indicates the gold may start a larger downward momentum, and maybe even to transform this for now near-term upward trend, but it can be easily transformed if we see that supply continuation in if we see that the sellers are joining these long-term investors. So this is my analysis here, and again, maybe I'm wrong, but this is what I'm expecting from the goal. I have the selling position around this stage here, 1283 level, with the stop loss above this swing high here, near the 1300 area. If you want to learn my method and how to spot the good opportunities, and how to observe what's the price action, volume analysis, how to do the multi-time frame analysis, and a lot of things, how I'm doing in my daily routine, you can learn all of this again from to observe market like I'm doing. I have a 7 days course mentorship program where I teach you exactly what I'm doing, what I focus, not just basically I'm full-time trader. I trade more than 8 years. I work for companies as well, and so on, like analyst. My major focus is on the forex. I also like to watch the gold and so on, but you can use this absolutely on the stock and equities with no problem. This is all-round technique and observation on the market, and you just gather the pieces of informations from different sources and put that into the one analysis, put that into the one, and create one big picture. because if you just watch one thing, it's not enough. You need to have to gather the piece of information. For example, we go through the multi-time frames to see where we are actually on the instrument we're observing. When we see, for example, like I show you that we got on the weekly time frame 200 MA rejection. We have on the weekly strong downward momentum. On the monthly, for example, we got 50 simple moving average on the test. Then on the 4-hour time frame, we got massive supply which came in, and we got on the futures market confirmed that as well, with more than 300% on that 4-hour bar. Actually, this is this 4-hour bar here is a massive sell-off, and you know, this may be a start of something very, very, very strong on the gold. So be careful when buying. Watch from selling between. That's my advice. If you want to contact me for the mentorship program, or if you want to invest, for example, I'm managing the money, and you can also start. You can contact me if you have the money to invest, and you know, we can very, very good percentage over the months and years on the forex. So I'm free for any cooperation. If you want to learn my method, or if you want to start to invest, I'm there. We'll put the Skype username in the description of the video, and of course, if you like my video, feel free to comment and of course subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's it for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed, and wish you good trading and trade safe.